Hey guys, this is Jason, and in this video I'll be talking about one of the easiest and best ways to start earning money online, transcribing. I'll be showing you some of the best transcribing jobs for 2020. With these jobs you don't need any experience, you can work anywhere in the world, and there's little to no startup costs. But before we go any further, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I release daily videos on how to make money online. First on the list is Rev.com. This company has been around for years now and has become a popular place for freelancers to come and get jobs, as they not only offer jobs in transcripting but also there are numerous other areas that you can go into, as you can become a captioner or overall do a lot of freelancing work otherwise. But they have recently begun getting some bad press as they have cut their fees that they normally pay, but it is still a good place to get started as a freelancer. Some of the advantages of becoming a freelancer with this company is you get the option to choose from hundreds of jobs, as they always have a large variety of jobs. Plus you get paid weekly straight through PayPal, and also they accept workers from all over the world. In this video I'm mainly focusing on transcribing, so you'll get to listen audio and video and get their payment ranges from 24 cents to 90 cents. But you can also become a captioner if you don't want to do transcribing. A captioner, you would simply watch the videos like how you see on YouTube or otherwise, and listen to the video and just write the captions. For that you get 45 cents to 75 cents per audio or video minute. And signing up is very easy. Next on the list is Transcribe Me. And what I've gotten to realize with a lot of these companies, they require at least 60 words per minute average in typing. And once you can do that and you're a good English speaker or even a Spanish or any other foreign language, you'll be able to get a job easily. Next on the list is waywithwords.com. This now provides jobs also to people from all over the world. As you can see here, we are looking for highly proficient English first language speakers from the following countries and regions: South Africa, the United Kingdom, countries in the European Union, the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. And they pay freelancers anywhere from between 45 cents to $1.73 per audio minute, based on the project turnaround. They also provide a lot of features, as they constantly have a lot of jobs also. You can see here, how do I get paid? Our transcribers are paid monthly directly into their PayPal account, irrespective of who their account is with. Next on the list we have Lyon Bridge. Lyon Bridge is the perfect place for freelancers, as they provide numerous opportunities not only in transcribing but doing other tasks. And the thing about Lyon Bridge is the pay tends to fluctuate, as it all depends on the task that you get done. And they pay once per month. And there's no experience needed. You simply have to do some exams, simple tests, and once you do the tests, they will place you, they will see the tasks that you're qualified for and place you in those tasks. Next on the list is Scribe.com. Scribe.com pays anywhere from $5 to $25 per audio hour. And you'll be transcribing some short files, 10 minutes long or less. This company has been around from 2008, and so far they said they have paid out over $1 million to transcribers. Again, there's no experience needed. You simply will need to be proficient in speaking English, the ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes, and you'll be paid via PayPal. And an added bonus is you get $5 for every 3 hours completed each month working on this. With proofreading you can earn even more, as this network also offers transcribing, reviews, and proofreading. Potential earning all depends on your ability. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.